Now, Mumias Sugar Company Director of Legal Services has been shot dead. Robert Lubia, who was shot dead last night at Harambee in Matungu, Kakamega County. NTVs Ouko Okusa is following that story, and we can now join him live on phone. Ouko, we looked for you earlier on, but we were not able to get your report from Kisumu. What are you learning about this shooting?
Hello, Ken. What is happening is that the legal officer, that is Ronald Rubio, actually, that is his name, was gunned down at around 10. According to the wife, Josephine Nambiro, is that Ronald stepped out of the house some few minutes to 10 o'clock to answer to a call of nature. And the next thing she heard was screams from Ronald calling for help. Then as she was actually cooking in the kitchen at that time, so when she came out to investigate what was happening, she met one of the killers at the door wielding a knife, and the attacker, threatened her not to scream, and then he was joined by two other thugs who brought in Ronald's body, dragging it from outside into the house. And thereafter, they proceeded to hold the family, Josephine, hostage for a while, and ransacking the house, demanding for money and electronics. And at some point, they even, went ahead to rape her. That is what she says. And made away with, apart from the electronics, they also took a laptop and some documents which she believes were from work. Remember, she also said that Ronald had just arrived from Nairobi from a board meeting. That was yesterday at around midday. And he stayed indoors all in the afternoon until this incident happened at around 9. There are a lot of speculation around there concerning the death, matters to do with the issues at work, and also people talking of a land dispute. It's apparent that Ronald had bought some land where he's constructed this house where the incident happened. So police are still trying to piece together evidence that have gathered at the scene to ascertain the real motive of the killing, even though they have ruled out robbery, because they're saying if these people were out to rob, then they don't understand why they left after escaping in Ronald's car, the deceased car, why they had to abandon it with the electronics intact and only disappeared with the laptop and the documents in a briefcase. So, according to police, they are convinced beyond any reasonable doubt that these were not ordinary thugs who were out to rob the deceased, but were after his life and probably some documents which they are yet to ascertain.
All right, so that was a very traumatizing experience for the family. Thank you very much, Ouko Okusa, reporting from Kisumu.